Model, 2017 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI 125 PS 350 L3H2 rear-wheel drive, Ulez bargain needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 141,584. MOT, the 7th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: okay, so the turbo was removed and sent off to get repaired, but customer bought a brand new van instead. The van now has the turbo missing, although we have started it and run it for a short time and the engine is perfect, no shaking, no knocking, no rattling, just needs the turbo replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU